Hey guys, I've got another bracelet tutorial for you today. This one is by JD Lenzen of Tying It All Together. We'll link to his original video down in the description. All you need for this project is 6 feet of paracord in 2 different colors. So I've got yellow and midnight blue here, and then also a scissors and a lighter. Let's dive right in. So you want to start out by finding the middle of each of your cords. So just line up both ends. Start by putting both loops over the top of each other. Then I'm going to take my dark colored loop, that's going to be our main color, and have the yellow one go through it. We want to cross our cords over each other, and then have our yellow go straight down and just offset them by a little bit. So our yellow is going to be the core of our bracelet, and we'll be weaving with mostly blue. Then we'll do 1/2 of a square knot by putting our right side over the top, bring our left side down over that, around the back, and up through this right side loop. Tighten that down, but not too much. We want to leave about a 1/2 inch loop at the top, just enough for a diamond knot to fit through at the end. Now that we've got our loop in place and all of our cords secured, we can go ahead and start the weave. This cord here on the bottom, this bottom yellow cord, is going to be our core strand, and all 3 of these are going to be woven around the outside. So to start, we're going to tie this top yellow cord onto our core strand with just a 1/2 hitch. That means bring it around to the back and up through the loop. You can see it's just a simple overhand knot around our other yellow cord. Now with this blue cord, we want to bring it underneath our yellow cord and then up through the loop. So it looks like that. Then tighten this yellow cord first, and then the blue, and we repeat with our next cord. So the same yellow cord is going to be our core strand. Now we want to pass this blue cord over the top of that yellow core strand, like that. Now we're going to be tying this blue strand that we just crossed over our yellow core strand. So bring it around the back and up through that loop. So we have our 1/2 hitch. And then now this blue cord, on the same side that this cord is aiming, we want to bring it underneath and up through that loop. So you'll notice that our 3 weaving strands, it doesn't matter what color they are, we're going to be interchanging them as we go. But this cord here is always going to be our middle strand. So we'll tighten this down, pull this one shut first, and then pull our other cord through there. Make sure all of your cords are tight at the end of each knot. So once more, this strand stays the same. The one that just crossed over our middle strand is going to be tied in the 1/2 hitch. And the direction it points is the cord that we grab to bring underneath and up through that loop. Tighten everything down and repeat. Alright, so now you can kind of see the pattern developing. We've got mostly blue in a zigzag with little hints of yellow going down. The back side is also a pretty cool pattern, so you can wear it whatever direction you want when you're done. Let's finish this off, and I'll show you how to make the diamond knot at the end. Alright, so we've finished the bracelet. It's long enough to fit around my wrist. You'll just have to go until this meets up with the loop at the top. We'll make a diamond knot at the end here, but first we're going to clip these 2 strands that we don't need anymore. Now we'll finish up and make the diamond knot. We cover this in other videos, so I'm going to do it pretty fast here. We'll put a link to where we cover it slower if you can't follow this. Put them both in your hand, make a loop with that right cord. This bottom one comes around and underneath this middle cord. We've got our carved bend. And once more around with each cord. Go past the standing end and up through the top. And same with the other one. And slide it down to where we need it on the bracelet. So there's our Wind Temple bracelet all done. Hope you guys like this one. Before we close out this video, we've got an update to give you. I started on the hat. Why did you guys have to ask for the hat? It's pretty slow going. Paracord, it turns out, is a lot stiffer than yarn, so I've had to untangle it as I go. I'm about 6 rows in. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, leave us a like and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.